It's Holy Week. Gosh, that must hurt.
They've only just started.
Real blood too, eh?
They've only just started too.
Oh.
Like metal things.
Chains.
Yeah.
Nitro, what was that? What was that?
I saw it.
Yeah, what were they?
Tree monsters.
Tree monsters.
Yeah.
They're tree monsters. It's an algae tree. Yeah, they're whipping themselves, hey?
Yeah.
Are you feeding Nalame, Nitro? Are you feeding Nalame? Feed Nalame?
You want to take 1,000?
This beautiful life.
Alright kids, you want Jollibee?
Yeah.
Nitro? You want Jollibee, Nitro?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're here. We're here at Jollibee. Alright buddy, here we are. What are we gonna get? Nitro, what do you want? Which one do you want? Hello. Come on.
6 piece bucket. Oh, should I get an 8 one?
8 piece?
Oh, 6 na lang. Ano mo?
8 piece, sige.
Yeah. Yung 8 piece natin, please, na chicken.
8 pieces, sir.
Yes, please.
Spicy.
No. What else do you want? Tsaka ano tayo, 4 na french fries.
Regular, sir,
Large, please.
Break large, ayan.
Tapos, 6 na rice.
Ano ba, sir?
Tapos, ano tayo, 2 Jolly hotdog, please. At saka ano, yung burger steak na 2.
Ayun, salamat po.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
What are you doing, Nyla? You're drawing green? What are you doing, Nitro?
I'm drawing a tree.
You're drawing a tree? It's a big blue tree, is it? Yeah.
Drawing blue.
You're drawing blue?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm
Are you drawing blue too?
drawing blue.
Yeah, that's cool, Nitro. Very cool. You're just drawing all over the page, huh? Yeah, very good. You're holding hands with Nalame? Oh no! Yeah. Oh, you let go of Nalame's hand. You gotta hold Nalame's hand. There you go. That's it, Daddy, and then you hold Daddy's hand. There you go. Yeah, all holding hands. Marami palang pwedeng gawin dito sa Balear. And one of those things is we're going to a waterfall. Aren't we, buddy? Yeah, it's a waterfall, isn't it? Yeah.
We're not going to the pool yet.
Yeah, not going to the pool yet, just the waterfall. Hey, Nitro. Yeah?
And the pool.
Yes, in the pool later. Yeah. Ayan, so my entrance fee din dito, syempre, lahat ng tourist spots sa Pilipinas may bayad, no? And, okay.
Ano ba? Yeah? Ano, may pera. So you got may 100?
Ngalan? Parang gani at God.
Wait po, E-W-A-I-N. Diretso na kami ng babae. Sige na tayo. San Luis.
Pasok na po.
Okay, thank you po.
Pasok na daw.
Chunkle Daddy.
Daddy,
Yes.
Go, go, go.
What?
come on.
Come on. Okay, let's go to the waterfall. Come on.
Daddy,
Yes, buddy. What?
did you have red?
Yes.
That's not red, that's blue.
Blue, not red.
What happened to your colors?
You're very colorblind, boy. You're colorblind, are you? Huh?
Red, saan daw?
Ano?
Ano o?
Ano daw? Ah, tatak. Ah, okay. Hello. So they gave us a stamp on our arm, but it's just going to wash off when we go swimming.
Oh, when it dries, it's alright.
And then, buddy,
Kumusta po ako sa iyo dyan? Nandito po kami. What's up sa inyo dyan? Nandito po kami sa San Luis Aurora. With Dwayne Woolley. Hanging out with the family. Wow, English pa. No? Tagalogin ka na po kasi nahihirapan na po ako.
Oh, this is cool. Hey, Nitro. Big waterfall. Whoa. Whoa. Big waterfall, Nitro. Very cool. You want to go for a swim with Daddy? Yeah? Malamig dito. Super lamig ang tubig dito. Love it. Oh, okay, let's do it. My son's here, right? Ready, buddy? It's so cold. Oh. Malamig.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
Oh, let's go.
At yung aso yan.
Not sure what's that? Huh? What's that, buddy?
Doggy. Doggy.
It's a lamb. Hey.
Aso.
That's so good, Jen. Oh, Nitro, don't go close. Don't go close, buddy. It's too hot. Hey, Nitro, who's that? Who's that?
Kuya.
Huh?
Ada. Kuya Puti.
No, it's Romeo.
Romeo Puti.
And who's that, Nitro? Who's that?
Romeo.
No, who's that?
Tito Vega.
Yeah, Tito VJ, that's right.
Daddy.
We'll stay out till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed.
Okay, Dwantro Fam, ito ang pinakahuling araw namin dito. We are setting up for a boodle fight. Ayan. Hey, Nitro, we're gonna have a boodle fight.
I don't like it.
You don't like a boodle fight? You might die. It's a boodle fight. Look. Whoa. You gotta eat all the food.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta eat all of it.
Be strong.
You be strong, yeah. That's right. What about you, Nala? You wanna do the boodle fight?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, boodle fight. And will you say, ang galing?
Ang galing.
Ah, come on now. Let's have a boodle fight now. So it begins, the boodle fight. Get amongst it. Yeah, boy. Kumusta? Sarap ba?
Oh, lasang kanin. Mom!
Hello.
Yeah, Barra.
Oh, that was it. This is the farewell feast, the last supper, Pinoy style. And kung nandito si Jesus Cristo sa Pilipinas, boodle fight ang last supper, no? Nitro, go get some food. Just pick it with your hands. Come on. Daddy show you. Come on. Grab it with your hands. Grab it with your hands. Come on. Just get it with your hands. Go like that. Go. Go. That's what everyone else is doing.
I got it.
No.